Hi, Rob from LJ's Kitchens here. We're going to talk today about different ways to customize ventilation in your house. The reason why we want to use a range hood is to move the air in the kitchen to get any smell, steam, or excess humidity from our cooking out of the house. It just helps the house breathe and the cabinets breathe. They're not really used for the proper use of what they were as a ventilation system. They're used for more of an aesthetic look. It's more of a focal point in your kitchen for everybody to look at. If you can go in and know what you want and what kind of budget you want to spend for a range hood or to make it aesthetically pleasing, I think in the overall you'll be much happier with the outcome if you can figure that out ahead of time. So when we come together, we can make sure that whatever range hood we pick is the right range hood for you and make it aesthetically pleasing. Well, I think the best benefit of designing a range hood properly for your kitchen is you're going to get the nice ventilation where you won't have any lingering smells or odors in the kitchen from something you're cooking. Say if you're cooking a fish or something over, then you don't want to smell throughout the rest of the house. A properly designed kitchen with a proper range hood will relieve the house of that odor, making it a much better cooking experience. To get started, just give us a call here at LJ's Kitchens. We'll be happy to help you.